Hello, today I will be reviewing another stationery product. At this time I will be showing you a special piece of a pen, which is the Parker IM Ballpoint Pen. There you go. It is truly a beautiful pen, and it combines on the shape. Regarding the shape of the pen, it combines modernity and classical elements with the classical fountain pen shape and structure, which is kind of thick and also heavy a little bit, but not too heavy. It's, let's say, compare it. I don't even know. It's just heavy enough that you feel that you are holding a real writing instrument in your hand. And the modern part, as you can see, with this beautiful design, modern design on the outside, is these rectangular surface patterns and the silver finishings. And you can buy this pen in multiple versions with gold and black, but I chose the silver because it's just so elegant. And if you are going for a look where you want to appear that you're a person who does care about what to write with, then this is definitely a pen I would recommend. Now let's go into some little details. So this is a Parker pen. Let's see if I can zoom on the logo. You can see Parker. It's definitely a long-standing, high-quality brand. And you can see the details of the modern design I was talking about, and it's truly beautifully reflecting the light, and the silver finishing is kind of diffused, but on the very edge, on the tip, the chrome lighting comes back, and there is the ballpoint top. And here is the iconic Parker arrow on the pen, which serves as the clip, which you can, hold the pen by. You can put it in your shirt, in your pocket, into a pen case. It's your choice. And here's the open close button. It's it takes quite an effort actually to open it, close it, and push this part. But you know what, when you're writing with a pen this heavy and of this imposition and elegance, then you should expect something that it takes a little effort to open and close. Well, there you go. The other side, the back side of the design would be the fact that there, when you write with this, your fingerprints are inevitably, sticking on the outside, so it gets a kind of an oily look. I don't know if it comes through the camera, but there are some spots which kind of ruin the pen. But if you have a little textile you can clean it with, it's definitely something I would do to take care of this pen. Well, in order to work this pen, you do need to buy the ink itself in the inside, and I'll try to open this with one hand, and we'll see how successful I am. It is very smoothly open, and there you go. This is the pen part. This is where the ink is stored, and this is a Parker brand as well. You can see it's a Quinkflow ink, and it is made in France, and it is a blue color. Well, putting back the pen together, it definitely helps if you can use two hands, but As you can see, it is even possible with one hand. The parts of the pen really easily fit together and really creates a coherent, complete writing device. But now let's see, how does this pen actually write? Alright, so I prepared a piece of paper for here so you can see how the pen works in action. And I can feel that this does glide smooth. You know, the ink is pretty nice. Beautiful blue color. The mobility of the pen is really nice. I can maneuver it easily, write big, write small, you know, if I want to. It also gives a very definite look with the ink. You know, as you can see, actually the true color of the ink comes out in this part. And overall, this pen is, you know, a special pen. It can get a, you know, a little expensive, but it's still not at the luxury category, so it is quite affordable if you want something nicer to write with. So I highly recommend this pen. I really enjoy using it on special occasions, when I take an exam or when I just have to look nice and I have to take this pen with me. I can show that you know, I do have some style, and I give about the device I use for writing. And you can also change the ink in the pen to different colors from Parker, but you can only use a Parker pen filament in this. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you could get something out of this review.